Let me say something that might make you uncomfortable. Saving more money will not set you free. Buying another plot will not set you free. Starting another side hustle will not set you free. In fact, for many Kenyan professionals, these three things are the exact reason financial freedom keeps getting delayed. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why the smartest, hardest working professionals stay stuck despite earning good money. Why the responsible choices you have been taught might actually be slowing you down, and how to start using your salary the right way as seed capital for real passive income. Stay with me. My name is Banyara Kiragu, and for over 20 years I've worked with high-earning Kenyan professionals, people in corporate roles, NGOs, medical fields, aviation, engineering, and business. Many of them work in organizations like Safaricom, KCB, Bamburi, Unilever, international NGOs, and professional firms. On paper, they are doing everything right. But behind the scenes, many feel anxious, stuck, and tired of starting over every January. The good news, many of the people I work with today have dependable rental income, growing net worth, and a clear path to financial independence without quitting their jobs. And what I'm about to share with you comes directly from that experience. Let's talk about the three biggest Kenyan money traps. I want you to listen carefully because you've probably said at least one of these yourself. Trap number one. Let me just save aggressively first. This sounds reasonable. SACCOs, fixed deposits, money market funds, emergency funds stacked nicely. Savings feels safe. It feels disciplined. It feels like progress. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Most bank savings grow slower than inflation, which means while your balance is going up, your purchasing power is going down. The hidden cost, years go by, your salary increases, your savings grow slowly, but your lifestyle, school fees, medical costs, and pressure grow faster. You feel busy but not free. Trap number two. Land never loses value. I'm investing in plots. The Kenyan favorite. Buying land feels smart. It feels tangible. It feels legacy. But let's be honest, most plots just sit there. No rent, no income, no cash flow. Meanwhile, you're still paying school fees from your salary. Still stressed when emergencies hit. Still dependent on your job. The hidden costs, you're asset rich on paper, but cash poor in real life. Freedom delayed. Trap number three. I just need a side business to boost my income. This one is dangerous because it steals your time, energy, and attention. Most side businesses are time intensive, skill dependent, emotionally draining, and when work gets busy, the business suffers. When you get sick, income stops. The hidden cost, you create another job, not passive income. You become more tired, not more free. Here is a truth most people never hear. Systems, not salary, create freedom. Say it again. Systems, not salary, create freedom. Your salary is powerful, but only when it's used as seed capital, not a lifestyle sponsor. A salary should start systems, not fund endless consumption. And this matters now more than ever. The cost of living is rising, job security is uncertain, retirement is no longer guaranteed, school fees don't wait. Without systems, even a good income becomes a fragile thing. Let me simplify this into a framework you can actually use. Step number one. Stop asking, how much do I earn? And start asking, what does my money build? If your income only pays bills and buys things that don't pay you back, you're stuck in the salary treadmill. Ignoring this keeps you busy forever. Applying it changes everything. Step number 2. Separate cash flow from prestige. Many professionals buy assets for image, big house, flashy car, impressive lifestyle. But freedom comes from cash flow, not from compliments. Cash flow pays school fees without panic. Cash flow absorbs shocks. Cash flow buys peace. Ignore this and you look rich but feel stressed. Apply it and life becomes lighter. Step number 3. Focus on assets that pay monthly. Monthly income changes behavior. Rental income is predictable. It's boring, and that's the point. When income comes, whether you worked this month or not, something shifts psychologically. Ignore this and everything depends on you. Apply it and the systems start working for you. Step number 4. Use leverage intelligently. Leverage is not the enemy. Bad leverage is dangerous. Smart leverage, tied to income-producing assets, accelerates progress. Many people fear debt, yet remain trapped by lack of income. Ignoring this slows everything down. Using it wisely speeds things up. Step number 5. Repeat and scale. Freedom doesn't come from one lucky move. It comes from repeating a proven process. One asset becomes 2. 2 becomes a portfolio. Income grows. Stress reduces. Let me guess what you're thinking. I don't have enough money. Most of my clients didn't. They didn't start with millions. They started with clarity, structure, and guidance. Money is rarely the real problem. What if I choose the wrong investment? That fear keeps people stuck for years. The solution isn't guessing. It's following a tested framework with support. It's too risky. Doing nothing is also a risk. Inflation, burnout, job instability. The question is not whether there is risk. It's which risk you're choosing. I don't have time. That's exactly why systems matter. The right assets work even when you're busy. Let's make this practical. Here is what you can do this month without quitting your job. Step number 1. Assess your real position. List your assets, list your liabilities, income, expenses, because clarity beats guessing. Step number 2. Decide what you actually want, not what sounds impressive. Ask, do I want cash flow or prestige, freedom or image? This decision shapes everything. Step number 3. Learn the basics that matter. You don't need jargon. Just understand. Does it pay monthly? Does income cover costs? Does it improve my life? Step number 4. Stop doing this alone. Isolation is expensive. The fastest progress happens when you learn from people who have already done it. Step number 5. Follow a proven roadmap. Trial and error is costly. A clear path saves years. This is exactly what I help my clients do inside the Financial Freedom Coaching Program. We take your income, where you are right now, and build a clear, structured path towards passive income. Clients come in confused and overwhelmed. They live with clarity, direction, a practical plan, and momentum. No hype, no guesswork, just structure. If you're serious about building passive income without quitting your job, I would like to invite you to book a free one-on-one strategy session with me. During this session, we will clarify your financial goals and your freedom timeline, identify hidden obstacles that keep you stuck, map out the exact steps you need to take to start your passive income journey. This session is completely free. but slots are limited each month. If you're a high-earning professional who is tired of doing everything right but still feeling stuck, this is for you. Click the link in the description below and book your session now. Let me ask you, which one has slowed you down the most? Is it saving? Is it plots? Or side hustles? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped you see money differently, please like it, subscribe, and share it with somebody who needs to hear this before another year slips by. My mission is simple: to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to financial freedom, calmly, deliberately, and sustainably. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.